Creativity begins with a Hi, this is Steelform. Last year we launched the KOSMOS titanium pen with huge success. Now we created a fountain pen inspired by KOSMOS's magnetic mechanism, the KOSMOS ink. The KOSMOS ink has a unique magnetic cap. Twist the cap slightly and it gets pushed off by magnetic forces. Close the pen with ease as the cap gets pulled on magnetically. The magnetic field aligns the distinctive surfaces perfectly. This also works as an effective anti-roll design. The writing nibs are made in Germany by Peter Bach, well known for their reliable ink flow and smooth writing experience. The KOSMOS ink is a quality made-in-Germany product without the luxury price tag. All parts of the pen are precision machined from aerospace-grade titanium or aluminium. We don't like plastic. The futuristic and clean design without any visible threads lets you focus on the things that really matter. Help us to bring the KOSMOS ink to life. We need your support. Thank you.